That's it. Let's do it again. Hello, it's Michelle from the MiniKeys department of the Brooklyn Music Factory, and I'm going to teach you the hello song. The first thing you need to do is open up your mouth wide and get ready to sing. We're going to count to 4 and sing hello. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. That's it. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. How are you doing? Hello. How's it going? What's new again? Hello. How are you doing? I love making music with you and you and you and you. Now, I want us to find the beat. Now, the magic number in music is 4. So we're going to find the beat on our body and count to 4. You can tap the beat on your knees. You can clap your hands. You can tap your shoulders. You can clap and tap. Just find the beat somewhere and we're going to count. Here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Let's sing. Hello. How are you doing? Hello. How's it going? What's new? Hello. How are you doing? I love making music with you. Okay, now let's sing to some toys. I want you to go find some stuffed animals, some Lego figures, some dolls, some action figures, and I want you to come back with them right now, and we're going to sing to them. I have my own toys. I have Ninja Fox. Hi, Ninja Fox. I have Scented Llama. Hi, Llama. I have Kitty with a fish. Hi, Kitty with a fish. And my favorite, I have Bear in a duck costume. Hi, Bear in a duck costume. Hi. So let's get ready to sing to our toys. Let's find the beat. In what? 4, right? The magic number. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Let's sing. Hello. Hello to Fox. Hello. How's it going? What's new? Hello to Squishy Llama. I love making music with you. Hello to Kitty. Hello to Bear in a duck costume. Hello. Hello to Popcorn. Everyone loves popcorn. I love making music with you. Bye, everybody. I had fun singing with you today.